Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can remove the TV wall mount on your TOSHIBA smart TV. Okay, to remove the TV wall mount you need to have the screwdriver, and first of all you need to make sure that you know this is the plate that connect to the wall with 4 screws on it. And now you need to unlock your TV stand base, and before you unlock it, make sure that the TV is connected to this stand correctly and there's no any screw that's lost. Okay, just do it carefully, one by one, step by step. Make sure that the TV is safe first. You need to screw this screw until the screw is going to this position that you can take out the plate from the TV. Okay, as the actual TV, this plate will not move, so it's stuck on the wall. So you now move your TV slowly until you can adjust this angle. And now take your TV out from the plate and go to this position. And now you can take your TV from your wall and put it on the table. This time you will find 4 screws on your stand. So now just unscrew that 4 screw and you finish to use your TV as the table stand. Okay, and please make sure that you keep everything in one place when you want to install it back, so there's no any screw lost when you want to install it back to the wall. I keep all the screw in one plastic box, and I will tie these 2 stands together with the box, and next time when I want to install it back to the wall, there's no any accessory that miss out. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can remove the TV stand from your TOSHIBA smart TV. And now you can install the TV stand leg to your TV and watch it on your table. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.